Welcome to Storyboard That, Education Edition. Today, I will be showing you around our new and improved student dashboard. I will point out focus areas with my cursor. Let's get started. Once your students have successfully logged into their accounts, they will be redirected to their student dashboard. Organized by teacher and class, the dashboard is student-specific and lists each of the currently active assignments a student must complete. By clicking on the name of any assignment, students can read the instructions and can view templates and examples that have been provided by their teacher. If you have included a rubric, students can view the rubric by clicking the View Rubric button before they get started. Once they are ready, students will click the Start Assignment button to begin their work. Students should also note the option bar at the top of their account page, which they can use to navigate between their main dashboard, their storyboards, and their account settings. By clicking the My Storyboards link, students will be redirected to a page from which they can view the storyboards they have saved to their account. By clicking the My Settings link, students will be redirected to a page from which they can update their login credentials and manage their classes. By clicking the My Dashboard link, students will be redirected to their assignments on the main student dashboard page. Now that you are familiar with the new and improved student dashboard, you are ready to create something amazing. Thank you for watching, and happy storyboarding!